Okay.
Show you today is how to make an e-portfolio. So if you missed this in class, you'll be able to do this on your own. It's simple. When you're in your AUC email, up here you have these options. And so you want to click on sites. You might be able to see my class site listed here because I've used a Google site to make that. Click on create. And then you're going to click on blank template. Okay, so well, actually you don't even need to click, it's already selected. Name your site, so you might do something like your first name and portfolio or e-portfolio or 201 or 101, whatever you want to call it. And then just go to select a theme. You can change this in the future so you don't have to feel like you're stuck with this forever. So let's say I want that one. And you don't really have to choose anything else, so you just go ahead and create. So now you can see I've made my e-portfolio. This is your home page, and if you want to share this or put your pictures there, make it look like your own, and make it exciting, you just click edit, and this page will then look sort of like a Word document in terms of the toolbar. So if I wanted to, I can type anything I want there, of course. I can change this title here, home, if I wanted. I can insert anything from my Google. I can insert documents and charts, maps even. If you are putting any of your photos in Picasa, which comes also with Google, and if you've done a PowerPoint on Google Docs, and also, it's not showing it, but if you want to insert video like YouTube, you can do that as well. Okay, so it's very easy to customize this page and in any of the pages. So now what you want to do is create your blog page. So every time you want to add a new page to your e-portfolio, it's very simple. You just click on this button here. And name your page, whatever it might be. And now, usually I leave this as a web page, but for a blog, you want to have, be given the option to have posts. So you're going to choose the announcements option. And that's a template that will automatically set you up with posts. And then just click create. Alright, so now you have your blog page. You can see over here on the left, if I clicked on home, I'd go back to the home page, but we're now on the blog page, and you see you have the new post button. Okay? For those of you who already have written this for me and you need to cut and paste them in here, you can do that. Or for future assignments, you will click this when you're doing a new blog assignment. You just click on new post, and you'll get this. And so let's say I've been asked to write about my favorite pet. Title it with whatever the topic is, or if you want to have fun with it, you can. And then I can cut and paste in, or I can just type, and if I want to insert an image, I can insert images either from the internet. You can find the address and insert it, or you can upload images. It's very easy. Okay. If I needed to attach a file, I could do that as well, although I recommend just giving links to the file in a Google Doc if possible. Attached files can be a little bit of a pain sometimes. Okay. Then you go ahead and if you're not ready to post it all the way, you could save it as a draft, but I'm ready to post that for my readers, which will be only me to begin with. And then when the teacher or a peer reader comes, they can actually leave you comments here if they want. Okay? And you would see them. So the other thing that I need to make sure you know how to do is the automatic default for Google Sites is it shares with all of AUC. So anybody in AUC could go to Sites and search for your site and they would be able to find it. So we don't want that. So if you click the share button, and you see here who has access, people at AUC can find and edit. We definitely don't want that. You need to change that immediately. So you're going to change that to private. Okay? If there's ever a point that you want people to see your blog, that would be fine. Actually, only people who have editing privileges can comment, so that's one reason why people are given editing privileges. And you also click that, and then you need to save with your share with your instructor. So let's pretend I'm sharing this with Omar Hassan or something at auc.edu. Now, when you're sharing with me, you do want to give me editing privileges so I can write in the comments. So you'll let me do that. If you only wanted people to view it, you could do that as well. Okay. You can leave this clicked if you want people to get an email to know that you've shared that. Otherwise, a live link to your address isn't usually enough. It's up to you how you want to do that. Okay. Then you click share and save, and then whoever you shared with will be able to see your blog and whatever else you add to your e-portfolio, and no one else can. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And just going back to the blog page quickly. So going back to the blog page, you can see it lists your posts, an abbreviation of each of your posts. And every time I'm going to do something new and different, I'll click New Post and write or cut and paste in whatever it is that I'm going to add. So don't just keep on adding to my favorite pet, okay? New post for every different assignment, okay? So that's that. If you've got any questions, let me know, but it's quick and easy, and I think you'll enjoy it.